This can be yours, just give me what I want, and no one gets hurt. Hello, hello, we're at a place called Vertigo. Lights go down and all I know is that you give me something. I can feel your love teaching me how. Your love is teaching me how to need you. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah,
I think I'm drowning, asphyxiated. I wanna break the spell that you've created. You're something beautiful, a contradiction. I wanna play the game, I want the friction. You will be the death of me. Yeah, you will be the death of me. Bury it, I won't let you bury it. I won't let you smother it. I won't let you murder it. And our time is running out. And our time is running out. You can't push it underground. You can't stop it screaming out. I wanted freedom, bound and restricted. I tried to give you up.